case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1972, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Kastigar v. United States, which centered on the idea that witnesses cannot be forced to give testimony that may be used against them in court. The government can only compel testimony if they grant immunity, shielding the witnesses from future prosecution. The case began when several individuals were subpoenaed to appear before a grand jury, but they refused to testify, invoking their Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. Consequently, the government asked the court to order the individuals to testify and granted them immunity. When these individuals persisted in their refusal to testify, they were found in contempt and committed to the custody of the Attorney General. The primary question before the Supreme Court was whether the government could force someone to testify in court if their testimony could potentially be used against them in the future. The court determined that if the government granted immunity equivalent to the protection of the Fifth Amendment, they could compel the testimony. Thus, the court held that the Federal Witness Immunity Statute, 18 U.S.C. Section 6002, provided immunity on par with the Fifth Amendment's protection against self-incrimination. This allowed individuals to be forced to testify before a grand jury when granted immunity. However, the government bore the burden of proving the evidence used in prosecuting the individual came from independent sources if a claim was raised under the statute.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.